सो एक लंबे अरसे बाद बिग बॉस के घर से एविक्शन हुआ है और राजीव बाहर आए हैं। सबको शॉकिंग न्यूज़ है सबके लिए एक्चुअली।
Mhm.
इतना अच्छा आप खेल रहे थे, सब लोग काफी पसंद कर रहे थे और काफी अच्छे स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आप खेल रहे थे, फिर क्या हो गया राजीव?
स्ट्रैटेजी था मेरे पास, मुझे पता भी नहीं था. I don't know. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked about the house. Like again, a bit Shukla should have been out, not me. I
हम्म।
think that if it was against somebody else, कोई सामने होता और तो मैं मान जाता कि मतलब हाँ ये लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग खिलाड़ी है. but Shukla के सामने, and I'm like, hello, dude. I was very shocked. But strategy तो कुछ था नहीं मेरे. I thought मेरा game बहुत अच्छा था. I was doing very well. I was being very natural. but Shukla के पास game ही नहीं था. कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा था घर में. So I don't understand वो कैसे वहाँ बैठा हूँ मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ. But I suppose it's okay. I don't understand what happened, but okay.
So what do you think? What happened actually?
I don't know. I mean, I actually have no idea. I think obviously votes के हिसाब से होगा. But I actually don't know because I think I was getting a lot of votes. I think people were really loving my game. I think I was being very natural in the show.
हाँ.
But I respect the people. So whatever the people wanted, they obviously happened at the end. But I don't think if it's between me and him, I think I deserve to be there longer, in my opinion. If I was against मैं किसी और के साथ सामने था, तो obviously I understand that they're very strong also. तो मैं मान जाते हैं बात. This part is very shocking for me.
What was your game when you say I was playing very safe or the game was fine? So what is that the word game defines like?
See, I'll tell you one thing. मेरे पास कोई game था ही नहीं. This was trying to explain in the house also. मैं वैसा जब घर में था ना वैसा ही घर पे. Like I can't fake it. Game का क्या होता है? If you go with the mindset मुझे game खेलना है. I want to play this game. I want to do this and do that. It always backfires in the house because you can't play it. Because every day वहाँ situations dynamics change होता है. Every single minute of the day something is happening. कोई मुद्दा हुआ, कोई लड़ाई हुआ, कोई मिर्च गिर गई, कोई तेल गिर गया. It's mad in the house. It's like a madhouse. So every day, what do you do now? So मेरे पास game नहीं था. I thought Rajiv, you go now, you be yourself, जो करने कर. People were calling me a flipper. And flipper, why? Not because of making flipping decisions. Because मैं लड़ाई करता था और 10 से मैं माफी भी करता था. अरे भाई मैं लड़ाई कर दिया, बरात निकाल दिया, तो मैं क्या बैठ को उसकी बात ही करूं? तो I was the kind of person I've said my piece. मैंने बोल दिया जो मुझे बोलना था. इसके आगे मैं क्या करूं? मुंह फुला के बैठूं क्या? तो देखिए कोई फ्लिपर भरोसा लायक नहीं है. तो भरोसा क्या मतलब कि पूरी रात उसका लड़ूं क्या? So I was just being myself. I was like, have fun, enjoy the system, enjoy the road you're ahead, enjoy Big Boss, and just enjoy yourself. Because I was friends with literally everybody in the house, everybody. And even people I didn't like that much, I used to be friends with them also. But I never had a game strategy. And for game, I think people came with games, but I can't define the word game to you because I didn't have one. So I don't know what the answer to that question would be.
Okay, who is the best player when you say game? You just mentioned that people have like come up with some game. So who's the best player?
Well, Kundra was initially a very big game player in a good way. Like he was a mastermind. Like he knew what he was doing. I think Teju's playing a very good game. She's very sweet though, and very more dramatically in love. But game-wise, she's very clued on what she's doing. So there was playing a good game. I won't say she's manipulative. She's playing a good game.
Achha.
Manipulation comes to Devalina. she's very manipulating. मतलब राखी को कैसे फंसा दिया उसने और राखी इतनी strong है मतलब मैं गुस्सा आता है राखी I want the real Rakhi Sawant back and they was like मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं है कोई तो मैं चीटिंग कर रही नहीं है और जो आपको फुटेज दिखाया सब उसके चीटिंग कर रहे हैं I said राखी अच्छा नहीं मैंने चीटिंग नहीं किया I said देख रहा है फुटेज में भाई कुछ किया ही नहीं है तो Dev was going to wrap in a little finger. So she's manipulative with Rakhi for sure.
Okay. And what about Shamita?
Shamita's being very real in the house. I don't think she knows how to play a game. She's playing the game very well, but she's not playing games with people. Like she's very real. जो उसको लगता है सही वो बोलती है. She वो फालतू मुद्दों में घुसती नहीं है. You know, she's just doing her own thing. She's very strong. वो point रखती है जो उसको लगता है को सही है. And if she doesn't like you, she's very clear that she doesn't like you as a person. And she'll put a stand also. And even if you're wrong, she doesn't like you. But if you're right, she'll stand up for you also. So she's playing a very simple, clean game, in my opinion.
Okay, tell me, how's your journey? क्या आप जो सोच के गए थे वैसा ही था? क्या था? Difficult था? Tough था?
जब मैं शो में गया था भाई साहब मेरी फट गई इतना शो में जाके मैं मैं कहाँ पहुंच गया यार. You know, for me it's like behind first time in front of the cameras like इतने सारे कैमरेज में बस में जाओ कि ना जाओ ये I was very worried मैं कैसे you know if I'm sleeping the right way मैं खड़ाटा मार रहा हूँ I was very conscious. And then I was like after a while क्या करूँ मैं I was very open after a while about me as a person just doing whatever I wanted to do. But initially I thought our last 2 or 3 weeks मैं 8 हफ्ते बच्चा I was like my god like I'm here to the 8th week and it's 3 weeks to the final. So I think my journey overall was I loved it. I think I was very proud of myself कि मैं tasks. I told my mother, but मैं से task से खेलूंगा मैं. जिस तरीके से मैं task खिलाया, I was proud of myself कि तलवार के task था, वो जो debate के task था, वो जो any task. I was so happy with myself कि perform किया इतना. So overall, I loved the gym a lot. I loved it too much.
Any changes you see in yourself, like after Big Boss?
Much more comfortable in my own skin.
Okay.
Even weight related, because I was very conscious of my weight, because my thyroid issues were up and down. So now I'm like, hi साहब, मैं थोड़ा overweight हूँ तो हूँ, मैं पतला भी हो जाऊंगा एक दिन. I don't care anymore. And now I'm more stronger as a person, more patient as a person, more tolerant. Because यहाँ घर में tolerance और patience का बहुत जरूरी है. So I think now I'm more tolerant and more patient. And I think that I always say Big Boss is a healing house. For me, it wasn't a game show. Okay. I healed in that show. Oh. It gave me something, so much strength and so much sukoon na wo show ne mujhe diya tha. Matlab, it changes a person. So if they say to me, go back every year, I'll go back every year. It's like my rehab center. I'll go back next year also if I have to.
Oh my God. You're the first person that you're saying this. Otherwise, look jo bahar aaye na bole, oh, I'm feeling so great. I'm out now.
I want to go back to, mujhe kal bhej do, jab main wapas jaunga, I want to go back in the house for 3 more weeks. Or maybe the final. I don't mind going back in the house. I like the house, yeah. क्या था घर में खाना मिलता है, चलो करेले, बेल पेपर्स, मेथी, आलू, प्याज की कुछ मिलते नहीं आपको, but you know in your house, it's like a family, you're हंसी मजाक all day long. And see, maybe I'm saying this because मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ जो हमेशा हंसते हैं हर चीज पे, छोटी चीजें हंसता हूँ मैं खुद के ऊपर हंसता हूँ, तो शायद इसलिए मुझे अच्छा लगा, because I was laughing all the time, majority of the time मैं हंसता था. So I was very happy in the house. I was kissing the ostrich, जो शतरमुख को किस कर रहा था मैं पूल में गिर जाता था मैं. I was happy. I was enjoying myself. I was having fun.
Okay. Now Shamita is alone. भाई बाहर आ गया.
क्या करे? She's strong cookie. यार वो ठीक हो जाएगी. She's fine. Umar is there ना. I hope Umar and her bond. I was saying बताओ तुम bonding करो भाई. मैं बीच में फंसा हूँ, मैं कबाब की हड्डी, तुम दोनों bonding करो, तुम समझो दोनों की बारी. But now I feel, except for tasks, now they're very sweet to each other. Tasks आते थे तो दोनों की मार्क्स हटते हैं. Otherwise, normal day they're very nice to you. They're very nice with each other.
Okay. What about Ritesh and Rakhi ki jodi?
What about it?
You find something interesting? You find real, fake? What? There are many news.
Salman said things on Weekend Kawai. I came out and saw some things online also about this other man. I mean, I'm not going to comment. One thing, Rakhi is in love with him. Rakhi is obsessed with him. Like she just wants him to just give her a hug. That's like Rakhi like, "Mera husband ye nahi karta, wo nahi karta," but she's in love with him and she genuinely loves the man. That's for sure. I think uske andar dar बैठ गया है कि शायद मुझे छोड़ के ना चला जाए. And I was saying, Rakhi, you're such a strong girl. अब इतने strong, आप क्यों फिक्र कर रहे हो यार? तो Rakhi Sawant है. But I feel that yes, she's very dominating on the show with her. I feel it's very strict with her, which I didn't like. And I had a fight with him. I don't know if they showed on TV. मैंने बोला सो बदतमीजी से बात मत करो मेरे सामने, because I was very protective of Rakhi. I was saying, please send her the show. She came in the show. Even though हमारी लड़ाई होती थी, हमारी actually दिल का लड़ाई नहीं थी, because she was just trying to चिढ़ाओ me, which she was very successful at doing. But I love Rakhi Sawant. I love her too much. So when her husband was shouting at her, I thought, मेरा place है बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलने के लिए. But I said what I want to say. I said, मेरे सामने आप बदतमीज हो तो आप देख लेना फिर. And Rakhi's like, मेरा husband है, I said, तू चुप रहे, let me say what I want to say. And after Salman sir spoke to her, I said, Rakhi, this is why I told you this. And she was, thank you so much, मुझे support किया, thank you so much. So I did what I could do for her.
Yeah, actually you are so supportive, and we all have seen like promos वगैरह जितने भी हम देखते हैं, पूरा show देखने का तो of course time नहीं मिलता है, but so we have seen you like very supportive, सबको support करना और चीजों को सही तरीके से ले जाना. And finale से थोड़े दिन पहले you are coming out, that was really shocking.
Shocking? मुझे यहाँ गोली दे तो मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा. I'm actually on that verge of like, what the hell has happened? And I've come out, I think all the fans have got mad on Twitter and Instagram, like saying, tonight, you'll see what's going to happen. After my eviction, if people don't know about it, like, what the hell happened? Because no one expected me to go. Nobody. And I was like, Bitch and me, Bitch is saying here. I was like, I was shocked. And I don't think the nation actually understands what happened, because I think he was more deserving than me to go.
Because see, Rashmi and Debo just entered, and they are still there. Rakhi entered, like Ritesh.
But see, they're strong players. They do the task properly. They strong players. और मुद्दा रखता है. Bitch शुक्ल सोता है. बीबी मराठी की बात करते हैं. दही खाते हैं. 10 स्पून चीनी के साथ. और कुछ नहीं करता. वो गाना गाता है. इसके अलावा ये बंदा कुछ करता ही नहीं इस शो में. He does nothing in the show. Not one thing. So I don't understand where I went wrong. I don't think I went wrong. I think he's doing nothing in the show except for talking about silly muddas and was doing silly things in the show. So I don't understand. I really don't. But it's okay. I'm happy I had 8 weeks in the house. I'll go to the finale now also and see my friends again. I want to be back in the show. Yeah, मुझे भेजो ना वापस.
I hope Big Boss ये सुन ले, ये इंटरव्यू सुन ले, वापस भेजे. थोड़ा शो को एक्सटेंड कर दें.
Hopefully, join.
Yeah. So tell me, top 3 कौन?
Shamita Shetty, for sure. I want Umar Riyaz to be there. Rakhi, I think, deserves to be there also. I like Rashmi to be there also, and Karan, and Teju. Teju, I feel, is a very strong candidate that she would be my top 3. If you do my game ke hisab se, Umar, Shamita, and Teju. If you do my personal, Shamita, Umar, and Rakhi.
I was about to ask this. Is there a personal connection? Because you appreciated Karan first, that he's in a good way playing very good game.
But see, he has gone down a bit. Meaning, he thought, because see, in this house, I was talking to him 3 days before. I said, Karan, I'm on the edge. And he goes, bhai, we're all on the edge. Like now we're on the edge because the Devo jo kaisa ho raha hai na, jo matlab, supporting and uska game planning. See, Rakhi is Sanchalak. Jab tak wo Sanchalak hai, wo Devo ki side hi legi. और Devo ने आई अंदर तो भाई साहब मरा दो मुझे सब. Like it was like when Devo becomes VIP or ticketed finale task ना जो होने वाली है because she's संचालक राखी तो वो सबकी बैंड बजाएगी वो हमारा जीना वहाँ बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
अच्छा.
मेरा टारगेट है मैंने निकल गया ना. Like she's like that. She's got a target should shout you and मैंने निकल गया ना. So it's like that.
Okay, top 3 you selected, but who's the winner? Trophy किसके हाथ में आएगी राजीव?
I think Shamita will take it.
Is there any personal connection for this? Like, yeah.
No. I think Shamita, okay, 2 names I'll give you. Shamita, tell you why. She's a very, very good khiladi. And I'm not saying, I know it's very biased, she's my sister. But I've stayed in that house. She's playing a very dignified game. She stands up for herself. She plays all the tasks very well. She got bad shoulders in the house. I mean, if I tell you, she goes to physio every day because her shoulders are very bad. फिर भी वो task खेलती है. वो कभी step down नहीं होती है. वो मुद्दा रखती है. वो सही time में बोलती है. वो सही चीज बोलती है. And she's very strong. Nobody will go against Shamita in the house because she knows how strong she is. I think Umar also is a good candidate because Umar का जो जोश है show के लिए बहुत है. हाँ दिखाता है aggression है, but aggression किसके पास नहीं है show पे. Everyone has aggression. But he has a very funny side to him, a very sweet side to him, and he really takes the show dil pe, and he's doing a very good job. So for me, it's these 2. Shamita, I think, will win, but if she doesn't, I hope Umar wins. So one or the other. Sure.
Okay, last question. What next for you?
A lot of I want to do something where I can make people laugh more. So I'm talking talks. I'm in talks for something. So let's see. I hope. Mera kya tha, and I'll be honest with you, ma'am, is that when I went to the house. सब कितना मरेले शक्ल था ना ऐसे मैंने ऐसे शमशान घाट में आया मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ सब रो रहे ऐसे था. It's very sad now. So everyone was tired and I was thinking कि people are watching this show from outside. They must be so pissed off with all of you sitting here like this शक्ल तुम लोग बना रहे हो. What are they watching? What's a graveyard? So I was like, you have to make people laugh. So मेरा हमेशा मेरे दिमाग में ये है कि किसी को हंसाने के लिए भगवान की चीज होती है. मतलब it's like to make someone laugh is the best thing you can do for somebody.
Correct.
It's medicine. So मेरा था कि मैं कोई मुझे देखते स्क्रीन पे वो 1 सेकंड में हंसा ना तो मेरा काम हो गया. So my thing is that I want to make people laugh. So anything I do always in that comedy line. That मैं किसी सबको हंसाना चाहता हूँ बस वो मेरा लाइन है.
हमने पूरा ये इंटरव्यू भी हंसते हुए किया है.
अभी नहीं पता क्या घर में होने वाला मेरे बाहर but let's see what happens.
चलिए, thank you so much and all the very best, Rajiv.
Thank you so much. You take care. Bye.
Bye. Thanks. Bye.